Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and I have a chair cushion that is so comfortable. Just look at this beautiful artwork on this cushion. This floral tropical scene is so fun. It's also easy to mix and match with other tropical scenes, and it does not clash. You could get similar patterns with similar colors, and it looks great. The cushion is super soft and comfortable. It's perfect if you want to sit outside on your porch or just chill by the pool and just relax. Really makes you feel like you're on vacation. Looking for a tropical themed cushion, something that you can mix and match, something that if you all want it to be one cohesive thing, I would definitely recommend this product. It is great. It is very good if it gets wet. It still is very easy to clean. I just love this product, and that's my point of view.